butt guy? Hey? Almost ready to go? Hey? Almost ready to go? Hey? What's it? You get drink water. Where's you going? Hey buddy, back to the channel. We're apparently getting some water and headed out for a walk right now. So, you grab your cup of joe, have a seat, or maybe go put your running shoes on and join me for a walk. It's your choice. So I'm gonna have this cup of water, and me and Buddy, we'll see you out in the trail.
Walking with Johnny, yes we are. Walking with Johnny and Buddy. Let's go on a journey. Walking with Johnny, you're walking on a journey with my buddy. Whoa, walking with Johnny, yes we are. Walking with Johnny, walking with Johnny and Buddy. Let's go on a journey. Walking with Johnny, embarking on a journey with my buddy.
Well, we're just at the turnaround spot here. And that means time for step 2. Seems to be a nice location here. But Buddy, I don't know what his problem is right now. He is just not wanting to be on a leash at all right now. So I'm just gonna come back. Okay. So, oh yeah, look at this. Okay, you guys see what the kids have built. They got this camel shit up here. Yeah, you guys see this. This is, look at this. Like they got the camo up there. And we got this nice deck. This is camo. This is, yeah, there's some stuff around here. It's all left here from the kids. I guess they were building a tree house. Back here. Okay. Buddy's settled. Let's see if we get step 2 in. Well, smoke inside God's cabbage at the tree house. You know, if I was a little kid, 8, 9 years old, I think this place is pretty cool. I don't come around here very often. Those moments that you pause. You guys gotta see this trail. Look at this trail. Doesn't it look weird? That's cool. It's definitely got a nice look to it. Yeah, definitely has a nice look to it. Yeah, so we're gonna go for a walk down here. That's what we're gonna do. Take a different way back. Smoke some of the cabbage. you're wondering where that thing is right there, that metal thing, that's a frisbee golf thing, because we have frisbee golf here in town. Yeah. And there's in the bushes here, as you can see, this is the bush line. Bushes. Bushes. And then you got the ladder. It goes all the way up to the tree house, which is pretty cool. It's nice to see that the kids are out being constructive instead of out breaking windows and slashing tires. I like to see that.
Walking with Johnny, yes we are. Walking with Johnny and Bobby, let's go on a journey. Walking with Johnny, embarking on a journey with my buddy. Walking with Johnny, yes we are. Walking with Johnny and Bubby, let's go on a journey.
Yeah. Walking down the
Walking
trail.
with Johnny, embarking on a journey with my buddy.
There's my line up step through there.
Walking with Johnny, yes we are. Walking with Johnny, walking with Johnny and Bubby, let's go on a journey. Walking with Johnny, embarking on a journey with my buddy. Walking with Johnny, yes we are. Walking with Johnny and Buddy, let's go on a journey. Walking with Johnny, embarking on a journey with my buddy. Oh, walking with Johnny, yes we are. Walking with Johnny, walking with Johnny and Buddy, let's go on a journey. Walking with Johnny, embarking on a journey with my buddy. Walking with Johnny, yes we are. Walking with Johnny and Bubby.
Walking down the boulevard so bright, with Johnny by my side day and night. Feet tapping rhythms, heart full of song. Together we'll go, the road is long.
Bubby's got his hat tilted just right, laughing through the dusk into twilight. We're chasing dreams with eyes wide open, and every step hope is woven.
We're walking with Johnny, every step feels like a melody. Adventures call, they're never wrong. With Johnny and Bobby we belong. Ooh, walking with Johnny, every step feels like a melody. Adventures call, they're never wrong. With Johnny and Bobby we belong. Stars above, they light our way in this journey every day. Friendship strong and laughter loud, we'll sing our dreams out loud.
Side by side in every stride, Johnny and Bubby, our hearts in the ride.
Through life's twists and endless bends, together we're the best of friends. Ooh, walking with Johnny, every step feels like a melody. Adventures call, they
dreams lie in the dust, chasing glory, chasing trust. Wilton's cold left wanderlust, in the sound his spirit thrust.
Hey, bud. Yeah, he's just running around at the moment, having some fun in the park. He likes being free, that's for sure. But I'm still worried around the animals part with him. But he's getting better. He's definitely got a good ear to listen. He listens well. So yeah, just out in the park, a beautiful day. Sun's shining, it's nice and crisp out. Buddy's having a blast running around in the whole field here. Well, I guess it's not a little field, but field. Hey, bud. It's so nice out. I might stop and have another second step too. Oh, I don't know about that. Last one was pretty. Whew. Not even sure if I know what planet it is. Oh, the sun's bright. Okay, buddy, come on. Come on, bud. Yeah, start running around, having a gay old time. Getting the steps in for the day. Buddy's having fun. He just loves running around. Oh, I can't believe how nice it is. Oh my god. It just got like super warm out here. The wind has disappeared. And it's just like warm. Of course, 10 plus 10 plus 15 feels pretty warm right now, especially if we don't got any wind. Yeah, it's one of those moments where I wish I had a cold beer. Cold beer, definitely good for certain moments. Just one, of course, or maybe two. Here's that tree house that we were standing under earlier. You can't even see it in the tree. Yeah, you can't even see it from here. The tree covers it. Camera doesn't do it any justice. Well, you can kind of see it there. You see it right there. Yeah, those boys are pretty inventive. All right. Come on, bud. Let's go this way. Yep. Walked right past the one we stopped at earlier. I'm gonna walk right down this one. This is the other half. Now it's gonna get a little bit more windy, as usual. Because, you know, it's the Saskatchewan. It has to be windy here. That's why. I got this bush one side of me. And I got all this field on this side. As you can see, this is a local soccer field in town right here. Got a little bird here on the side of it. I don't come to it often because there's always people here. So, just the way it goes, I guess. But total seclusion. You gotta go up to the middle of nowhere. I don't mind living in this little town. It's not bad. We get, you know, we don't get much crime here, things like that. You know, I could leave my $1,000 tool set on my front doorstep and it'll still be there a week later. So it's a pretty good town and they can do shit like that. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice in here. Oh, got some shrubs. Watch out for the fallen branches. I'll get smacked in the head. Oh, I got my glasses on. Jesus. Someone's t-shirt. I thought it was something else. That'd be really weird if it was something else, especially in the area I'm in. I almost thought it was a pair of panties. You never know what you find in the bushes around town. You just don't. Like, I remember this one time. Oh. I remember this one time. I found a big old tire. Big old tire is sitting here. A lot of garbage in here. Hey y'all, just got back from my walk. That was a nice walk. Really nice walk. Nice and warm out. Oh, ooh, back just cracked out. It felt great. Oh yeah. Oh, right at the top of the tailbone. Always get stiff there. But yeah, just got back. Just got home, and now we're gonna have step 2. That's what we're gonna do. Let me see if I can set you guys right here. Let's see if that helps me. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, it looks like you guys can see me. Everything looks good. Perfect. Yeah, I hate that when you go stand your phone up or something to whatever, because sometimes you need both hands, right? So you just can't film the one and work with the other. So you set your phone down and then you can't find someone to prop it up. I wonder how many YouTubers actually fight with that on a daily. I wonder. I really do. I wonder. Probably lots of them. I mean, the ones that use cell phones to record anyways. And there's lots of YouTubers that will actually just use their cell phone to record. Van City Van Life's one of them. That's all he uses, is an iPhone to record on. And I do believe Van Life Plus, he uses nothing but a cell phone, an iPhone. So, I don't know. I'm thinking of switching phones myself. Like, I don't know. I can't get the settings right. in my phone so it's full screen for you guys when you watch it. I don't know, but like when I watch it on my TV here at home, I don't like when I watch it here at home on TV, it's not full screen for me. So I don't know if it's full screen for you guys, but it ain't for me. It's nothing like that. So I want it to be full screen. I don't want it to look like a TikTok video. So I gotta figure that out. I don't know why it's doing that. I've tried all different settings. I've tried different ratios. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. You know what I mean? I'm kind of lost with it. But I'll figure it out. I always do. Somebody once told me it has something to do with maybe the settings in my editor. And I just need to find that button that fixes that problem. But in my editor, I don't have, every time I try and adjust it to fit, it just zooms in. It makes it all weird, so. Yeah. Quality content. Quality content. Yeah. So anyways, that was a really good walk we just had. 7.7 kilometers that we just did now. And yeah, it was a good walk. Maybe tomorrow might do a whole 10 kilometers. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll take you guys up through the valley, up around Thunder Creek, or no, not Thunder Creek. What's it called? Richards Coulee. I'll take you guys up around Richards Coulee tomorrow. There's some nice scenic stuff up there. Actually, if you go back in my videos, I did a video at Richards Coulee. Actually, I did 2 videos at Richards Coulee. My first 2, I do believe, were filmed at Richards Coulee. Back in the day when I wasn't a very good YouTuber, or at least cameraman anyways, because, you know, you watch my videos, like, oh yeah, I'm just walking through the field today, and this is what it looks like on the TV screen. Go back and watch it. It's exactly what it is. But we get better with time. Practice makes perfect. That's the only way you achieve success, is through practice and patience. That's one thing I've learned in life. If you're not willing to give a little, you're not going to get nothing in return. That's for sure. Sometimes you have to give a lot to get something, you know, but there's always something in return. Even when the situation is negative, there's always a positive side to it. Always. I mean, if you're still able to breathe after the event, then that is something positive. You know, you came out your endeavor unscathed, you know, and yeah, that's right, you know, that's but yeah, just having my having some of my God's cabbage, and then when I get back to the video editing area, I got a bunch of editing to do, tons of editing. I know I got so much editing to do, I'm thinking of maybe asking someone to help me out. But I gotta learn how to do it right. Gotta manage. That's what it's all about, learning. I'm only taking a long time in my editing because, you know, I'm new with the editor. I'm still trying to find an editor that I absolutely just love. I haven't come across that yet, so everyone I've had so far, there's been a flaw with it. And that flaw, like the one I have now is CapCut. I absolutely just like it. It's an awesome editor, but there are some issues that I can't get over. Okay, so you know when you make a cut in a video, and then when you're watching it, you see the switch, right? Well, say you want that switch to be like a little swirly slew, or maybe fade off and run off into the other bit, right? Okay, we don't have those options on CapCut, and if they do, I don't know where they are. I can't find them. I have no clue. And the other issue is I can't convert the video from my cameras to something that fits your TV screen, right? So it records in 9:16. Well, I want it to be a 16:9. Okay, and basically that's this position here is 9/16. And when it goes sideways like this, it becomes 16:9. Okay, and that's supposed to be your full screen. But for some stupid reason, when I have that sitting on this phone, it doesn't do that. So I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, if you like watching me go on walks, then feel free to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications so you know when the next show comes out. Maybe leave a comment saying, "Hey, what's up, Johnny?" or something. Just something to help it move along. I'd really be appreciative. And to all you new subscribers I've achieved in the past 2 weeks of trying to start this YouTube channel, thank you for subscribing. Your subscribing this is awesome. Okay, it means a lot to this channel. It helps it grow. And I'm hoping by Christmas we can have at least 100 subscribers. And if that happens, I will absolutely give you guys the film of your life. I'll do that 50-kilometer challenge in December. If I hit 100 subscribers, I'll do it in 1 day. Yeah, 1 day. I'm not too confident about it. Not at all. But hey, why not? I've already done 30 in a day once. And if I add up the steps I do throughout the whole entire day, that's just over 60 kilometers. So, typical day for me, 50 kilometers. Instead of spending every waking moment doing other things, like housework, taking care of my kids, I just wake up and go. Every waking moment's walking. That's how 50 kilometers happens in a day. But if I hit 100 subscribers by December, and in the month of January, I will do a 50-kilometer hike in 1 day. Yep. I'd rather do it in the winter than in the summer, to be honest with you. I know summer is really nice, but hey, why not do it in the middle of a storm? Or something crazy like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. Who knows what God will bring for weather. So yeah, I'm just going to finish up my my God's cabbage, and then I am going to go to editing. I won't do a lot more editing. Well, I got this to edit. All footage from today, which you guys will probably see tomorrow, maybe. So anyways, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share and comment. And thank you very much for subscribing to Walking with Johnny. And Johnny and Buddy, we'll see you on the next one.